26th of July 2013. Today is a special day at Woodside. We are having solar panels installed to our workshop, and they will take 2 days to install, so we'll keep you posted with progress as they go up. 27th of July 2013, and Joel is putting up the racks to receive the solars. We have a weather related constraint. The heat is making the felt literally melt, so we're having to work fast to avoid the weight of Joel's feet literally pulling the felt apart. So rain is due, but it's hot at the moment. Isn't that right, Joel?
What's that?
We're working against the elements.
Yes.
The heat is making the felt melt. The first solar panel is on the roof. It's looking very positive. Okay, look, we're over halfway there now. Two more to put on. Doing great, Joel. Well, I'm hoping for a nice summer of heat and sun. Generate some serious electricity, energy. Well, that is the last panel on the roof in temperatures of 26 degrees or something. A smile on his face to the very end.
I've owned my dog for about 9 years. They still can't do this thing.
Uh-oh. That's great. Let's take a...
Is her name Windy? Like Windy Miller?
No,
Like, are you saying Wendy or Windy?
Windy like independent.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And the final process is giving the panels a clean to ensure optimum performance. But it's all now plumbed in. Electricity is being generated, and I'm reliably informed that the workshop is 100% now run from the solar panels, so that's really exciting.